Tugeta mbere ni ati aritwa nkabo ibaishumiretie kuthoma moguni ya Mubango ya wiki aritwa kuthomira rongo yora yo kumenyekana ya Unipass bakiaria aritwa bai bacokeretie abangania nkatho bakiwa ibombete kwithira bagieka ikaro na skuru nkabo kuma ome ya Meru. Abangania bawete kiragie kwendekana kibarua cha form 4 na araba kuwa barabaka ukuma bakaguneka baketha bakieguneka kinya na kanya gakwithira bakirita ngwe o bakithoma. Mwandiki wetu wa Theto Muthuri Murio kigatumenyethia shona njire kinyanirite.
Ni Mubango ya gutetheria aritwa beta kuthoma kaomega Kenya Mubango ya kinyite ndende kaunti Meru kukurukira rwangi Uni-Pass aranandi aritwa mwanya mutene na arua bonete kanya ngotirimana na ataramu kuma university cia kaome nikenda bomba go batara.
Kama leo I like to say nimekutana na Deacon. That's been a dream university for me. Nimejua process za kuapply kama hata the parks na hizo vitu ziko readily available because like okay the candidate that was here nataka kumidentify Laura. She was really nice in explaining everything na pia kuona it's not just a dream, si lazima si ndoto, itakuwa a real thing na ita happen and I'm really happy, I'm really excited about that and I can't wait to start my journey hiyo.
Pursuing career opportunities outside inatupia more advantages za kazi because ukienda kusoma Australia like this universities that zimekuja wanatuambia unaweza enda for maybe 2 years alafu wanapia na another option to stay in that country for another 3 years working in the country.
Kuringana murungamiri Mubango juda ndene kaunti Meru nombite gutariria konsira itobaba bombite gutara
aritopo bonde tuomba kuona so far mostly baraba kwenda gwita kuthithia degrees especially in nursing, IT, engineering, medicine courses yu chirigoro but twina also a few of masters na PhD students.
Akiuga wega Mubango jojo nikagita karari toba kuthoma kaome penda kanyanyeka gwitango gendegoro iji
ibaiza wakanya ka work as you study after muritwa thiria kuthoma na iza post study work visa. Post study work visa neringana na indegoro iriko gwichobo eza watia 2 years gwichinge cia 3 years kwa kwena opportunity ya gwitangoge after that after thira post work study visa itumotetha ire na ndio rapomba go apply permanent residency through kugwatangoge.
Akiwa na nikira kina bata ni mwanaki akethwa critical class form 4 awange ena kanya kuthoma ome mwanga kiwango kira kwenda
kwa it doesn't matter mwana agwete degree agwete grade ire ku form 4 but no mongetherwa athirĩtie form 4 kenda tombo mojokia but still lazima atonye kuthoma degree directly either qualifications cia waito mwetikira kuthithia degree direct akambiria na pathway courses for 1 year alafu nande atonye degree course for 3 years.
Bure Murioki, Woro TV, Mutura Kangangi.